previous video, part 1 factorization, I had shown how to factorize, what is factorization, and basic method to factorize a polynomial or expression. And today I am going to explain 3 more methods to make easy your factorization. There are 3 methods. Generally we use all these methods. First number is difference of 2 squares. Second number in trinomials form, their factorization. And third number, sum or difference of cubes, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, in this form. And if your factorization is in this form, suppose your algebraic expression is given in the form of a square minus b square, that means difference of 2 squares. Otherwise, if your expression is given so that we can convert in the form of a square minus b square and then factorize with their general method like this. And I am giving some example to explain this method. First number in the form of suppose a square minus b square is given. Then as I explained in my video identity expansion, in that video I explained it, a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. First number example is, all this example I have taken from your exercise question. Example is given a to the power 4 minus 16b to the power 4. Then first we will convert it in the form of a square, difference of 2 square. We will convert it in the form of difference of 2 square. Then 4, that means a square whole square, and 16, that means 4 square. 16 means 4 square and 4b square whole square. 4b square whole square is equal, now formula is a plus b. It means a square plus 4b square into a square minus 4b square. Then first your expression a square plus 4b square, again we will not factorize because don't have formula to factorize it. So a square plus b square 4b square is like that only. And second one, again we will convert in the form of whole square, difference of 2 square. We will write it difference of 2 square, again difference of 2 square. So use this formula is equal a square plus 4b square is equal a plus 2b into a minus 2b. This is your final answer. A minus 2b into a plus 2b into a minus 2b. There is a plus 2b. A minus 2b into a plus 2b from identity. This is your final formula. Understood? Now going to start second number. Going to take second example is x square plus y square minus z square whole square and minus 4x square y square. Their first square and this one is second square. We will convert it as a whole square. X square plus y square minus z square whole square minus 2xy whole square. Now both are in the form of difference of 2 squares. Is converted, so we can write in this form. This identity we can use here. A square minus b square. It is like a, this one is like a, this one is like a, and this one is like b. Then identity a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. Like this we can write here. So x square plus y square minus z square a plus b plus 2xy into a x square plus y square minus z square minus 2xy minus 2xy. And now x square plus y square, one more step it will factorize, because x square plus y square plus 2xy in the form of a plus b whole square is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's why we will collect it and make group x square plus y square plus 2xy together, and then minus z square. Put it like this. And then second expression is x square plus y square minus 2xy there. Is it? And minus z square. It is a second expression. Now their first expression and second one. So again convert in the form of identity. Use their identity. It is x plus y whole square minus z square. It is x plus y whole square minus z square, because a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal a plus b whole square. In my previous video, algebraic expansion identity, I have explained all 22-23 expression. They are also given. Next, x minus y is there, because they are plus, that's why they are plus, and here minus, so x minus y whole square minus z square. Now both expression are in the form of difference of two squares. So using this identity in both expression, it is x plus y plus z into x plus y minus z. It is into x minus y minus z into x minus y plus z. Now your factorization completed of second number. After this we cannot proceed. We can't proceed. Understood this factorization? Now second number example is trinomials of, suppose your question is given in the form of quadratic expression. In the form of quadratic expression or any algebraic expression in the form of trinomials. In the form of trinomials. Then trinomial means like this, if it is given plus c. Then the process is to factorize like this trinomials. The process is first to find out the coefficient of x. There is coefficient of x is b. Coefficient of x is b. And then take product of a and c. Constant and coefficient of x square. It is AC. It is AC. Product of AC and coefficient of x is b, and product of coefficient x square is a and c. It is AC. Product is AC. Now split AC so such that split AC after multiplication, split it such that their sum or difference is b, is equal to b. Then your factorization will complete. Such that one example I am giving in second number. Second number, one example is 63 x square minus 18x minus 1. It is trinomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now coefficient of x coefficient of x is equal 18. Coefficient of x is equal minus 18. And coefficient of x square is equal 63. Now product is 63 into 1. Coefficient of x square is 63. Coefficient of x square is equal 63 and constant is minus 1. It is minus 63. Is it minus 63? Now split this minus 63 such that their sum or difference, anything, can get minus 18. Then by prime factorization 63, we will start prime factorization. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and it is 7 3s are. How to get 18? 3 3s are 9, 7, 9 7 is 9 7 cannot get. So 7 3s are 21 and 3. It means 21 and 3. How to shift both numbers 21 and 3 to get minus 18? It should shift like this. Minus 21 plus 3 is minus 18. That means the structure of this middle form will be minus 21 plus 3 to get minus 18. I hope understood all. In this way, take this is 63x square minus 21x plus 3x. Include x also because it is coefficient. So x here minus 1. Now group 2 2 like first method. Group 2 2 because even number 1 2 3 4 even number is there. Take common 21x. 3x minus 1. 21x taken common. So 3x minus 1 is there plus 3x minus 1. One more time what is common? There are two expressions and both expression again what is common? Again there is common 3x minus 1. So take out this 3x minus 1 from both expression and write it out of bracket. 3x minus 1 and remaining term is 21x plus 1. It is your final factorization of this expression. Like this we will factorize of trinomial forms. Second number completed. First number over, second number over. Understood? Now exercise questions are easy to solve. Will be easy to solve. Like this trinomial equations are given in your exercise question. Now third number is sum or difference of cubes. If your algebraic expression is given in the form of sum of difference of cubes, then we will factorize. Formula already I explained in my video. A cube plus b cube. In factorized form, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That is formula. And how to get it? Already I had explained in my video. And again a cube minus b cube is equal a minus b is there. Only one minus you have to take. Plus, that means there will be plus and here minus. And if minus, then in a minus b, one minus is there, then over, and now rest all term is positive plus b square. So related this, your third number example is one example: x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x plus 1. This question also given in your exercise So now 1, 2, 3, 4, they are even number terms. In this algebraic expression, even number of terms. So group it. 2, 2. And what is common in both? X cube is common. Rest term is x plus 1. And this side is x plus 1 already coming. And again there are two expressions. In both expression, what is common? X, till last we will find out. X plus 1 is common. So x plus 1 is again common. And then x cube plus 1. But till here not completed here. Factorization. X cube plus 1 is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Because x plus 1 and 1 can write cube. So a cube plus b cube form is there. Use this identity to get the proper factorization. X plus 1 into a cube plus b cube. Plus is here. So first we will write plus. X plus 1 and then x square minus ab. X into 1 is x. X into 1 plus 1 square. Plus 1 square. That can write x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now your factorization completed. It can be written in factorized form x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Is clear? Now one more example. One more example is last number. Third 2 is like this. In this example, both identity we will use a square minus b square and a cube minus b cube. Both identity have to use. 64 a6 minus 729 b6. Suppose some difficult number is given, you don't understand what is a square and what is cube. That time we will use prime factorization. 64 prime factorization like this. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 multiple is 64. That means we can write there 2a whole to the power 6 minus, in the same way 729, find out prime factorization like this. 729. Start from smallest digit 9 to 11. 11 and 7 is 18, is divisible by 3. That's why use this, take 3 number. 3 2s are 6, 1 2, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. One more time 3. 8 and 1. One more time 3. 3 2s are 6, 2 and 3, 9, 3, 3. Now how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 1. Again 3 is coming in 6 times. So write down letters like this. In the form of a whole power 6. It will be easy to factorize. Again we will convert it either in the form of cube or in the form of a square. So a square. Then to get a square, first cube and then a square. Minus 3b whole to the power cube, then a square. Then a square. Okay. It is a square. A plus B into A minus B is equal 2A whole cube plus 3B whole cube, and then 2A whole cube minus 3B whole cube, because in a square difference of two squares use this identity. A square minus B square is equal A plus B into A minus B. So I used A plus B into A minus B. It can be written like this. A plus B into A minus B. But both expression I have written there in the form of two expression, but both expression again coming in the form of A cube plus B cube in this factorization. So one more time we will factorize it. Formula A cube plus B cube is equal A plus B. A like A 2A and like B 3B. So take 2A plus 3B into A square 2A whole square minus AB. AB, that means 2A into 3B. AB. So 2A into 3B. 2A into 3B. And plus 3B whole square. Like this 3B square. So 3B whole square. Okay. Second expression is minus. Same thing in plus form and second in minus form. So use their negative identity. A cube minus B cube in minus form. It is now A minus B is first product. So 2A minus 3B first we will write, and then multiply 2A whole square. There is minus, so already minus given, and then it is plus 2A into 3B plus 3B whole square. Understood? I have converted both expression in explanation form, and now solve it. Is 2A plus 3B into 2A whole square is 4A square. 4A square minus 2 into 3. Digits multiplication 2 into 3 is 6AB plus 3B whole square. 3 3s are 9B square. 9B square is first, and again for second expression solve like that only. 2A minus 3B into 2A whole square is 4A square plus 6AB plus 3B whole square, that means 9B square. 9B square. It is your final factorization, that is answer. I hope all are understanding well, and like this you can solve your exercise question. Okay children.